Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to embed TikTok feed to your Shopify. Let's get started. In order to do that, what we can do is you can open in here a new tab and we just need to search for apps at shopify.com. Now this is the App Store of Shopify. What we can do is we can click on the search icon right here and then search in here for TikTok feed. So let's search something like this. Then once you have searched for that, you should be able to see some search results that you can install. So for example, you can install your TikTok app right here, which is you can showcase your TikToks to millions of users. Or you can also just choose this Juniper right here, as well as the TikTok feedback button. So for example, let's use this Juniper. As you can see, this is built for Shopify. They also have a free plan. So let's head over and click on the install button right here. Once you have done that, this will open in here a new window wherein it will ask us for access in order to successfully install this application. So head over and click on the install option. And then as you can see, this will load like this. They actually have the same developer as the InstaFeed that we have integrated on your Shopify. So this is particularly a safe app in order to connect this into. So as you can see, just head over and click on this connect with TikTok right here. And then this will open in here a new page where you just need to authorize your TikTok. So now this will actually really connect your TikTok. So just put in here your feed title as well as the settings for the post click up, post spacing, rounded corners, configuration, slider pages. So your TikTok account is connected as you can see. I have already connected my TikTok account, but it does actually have an error of we're unable to fetch any posts. This is because on my TikTok account I don't have any posts, but if you have any posts on your TikTok account, then it should be able to put in here. What you need to do next is to just save this feed and you're good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.